Hello all. I designed and 3D printed and it's going to be attempting to sell these. It's a drawer and an Allen key holder for Harvey Big Eye Fence. Basically, they go in like so, and they stay put, so you always have access to your Allen key to adjust your stops if needed. Once it's done, you can safely stow it and use it. It clears the fence, so there is no interference. And this one just slips right in, and you can use it to store whatever fits. Not much room in there, but it does offer storage for pencils, screwdrivers, scribe tools, or whatever else you can fit in here. It's definitely better than nothing. But it is a lot less storage than on the Sawstop square tubing.